Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to reverse a string using the slicing method in Python. So let's get started. So basically, if you're not aware of a slicing method, it consists of slicing items from a string or a data type in using a start, end, and step index. So let's understand how to do this. So basically, to start reversing a string, we need to print its sequences in a reverse manner. So something for reverse for this string would be E. Let's try to understand how we would create that. It would be E, D, O, C, and so forth. So this would be its reverse fashion. So basically, to reverse it, we would try to get in the manner of the text starting. So to reverse the string, we would have to start getting its characters from the last number or the last character. So for that, we have the index value, that is -1. So whenever we have -1, which means we are trying to access the item from the lastmost position. So now in my start position that I want, from the position I want to start the slicing, I will given the index that is -1. So if I try to print this, as you can see, the start index is now E, so which is -1. Now I want to print it up to a point or a end position. So in this case, let's try to give it -5. Okay. So nothing gets printed because I'll tell you why. I'm trying to print it from -1 to -5, but I need to tell Python that I need to print it in a reverse manner. So to do that in a reverse manner, all I need to do is add a step position. So my steps would go in a negative fashion. So I'd again put colon and then put -1 and print it. So now I've got some part of the code that is -1 to -5, that is code printed in a reverse fashion, but I want my whole text to be printed. So let's try to understand how to do it. I need to now know the number of items or characters present in the string. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically, I just counted it quickly and we have 14 characters in this string. So I need to print it from -1 to -15 in a negative step fashion. And as you can see, now we get the string in a reverse fashion. There's a small outcome that we observe. We need to know the last index point of every string so that we can reverse it. But this is a big problematic scenario. We will not know this every time. So basically, to do it in a smarter fashion, you do not need to specify any end index. So if we do not specify any end point, Python understands that we want to start from its -1 position up to its last position because we are not specifying any integer at its end point. So now if I run this program, as you can see, I'm getting the same output as the previous code that was present as -15. So basically we are telling we want to start the indexing from -1 up to the end item in the list because we are not specifying any number, and its step value would be -1. So that's it. Using this simple slicing method, we learn how to reverse a string in Python. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.